Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail for coaching. The value of real-time support and coaching. Call agents are the face of your brand, representing your company to prospects and customers alike. 4 benefits of real-time support and coaching. Makes your agents more effective. Real-time support and coaching provide a myriad of profound and wide-ranging benefits to your organization. Most importantly, however, it'll make your call agents better at what they do. Transforms your customer experience. Providing ongoing real-time support will have a profound impact on your CX. Given that 81% of marketers compete primarily on the basis of CX, it's crucial that you get yours right. Improves your organization's bottom line. CX can be the make or break factor when it comes to increasing your conversion rates. In fact, 74% of consumers state that they're somewhat likely to buy based on experience alone. Customer insights at your agent's fingertips. Most callers have previously interacted with your company in some way, shape, or form in order to serve their specific needs. It's therefore crucial that agents can not only access these insights in a flash, but that they can also digest this information while holding a conversation. Add Lead Center to unlock the complete CallRail platform. With Lead Center, you can sell, text, and chat from one easy-to-use form inbox. Combined with our analytics suite, you'll also have the real-time visibility to know which marketing sources are making your phone ring. 10 local numbers, 1,000 form submissions, 10,000 transcription minutes, unlimited soft phone minutes, unlimited SMS text messages. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.